Hello everyone, in this video I will do a small presentation on how to build a realm using Gnodev. So what is Gnodev? It's actually a simple and small development tool for Gno.land. It's embedding two main things, a Gno.land node running in memory and locally, and a web server that will help you to actually visualize your realm. So I will do a short demo by creating a simple realm. First, what we need is to actually create a module, like similar you can find with Gno.land. So let's call it demo. Using the Gno mod init command that will create a file within our package called Gnomod. Then the only thing we will need is to create a file called, we're gonna call it demo.gno to respect the package name. Let's create a package similar from what you have in Golang, a random method that takes a pass and return a string. So let's return hello gno. That's it. Now the only thing you have to do is to call the Gnodev command targeting any directory you want. In our example, we target the current package, the current directory, sorry. Oh, I made an error in the module name. Now we can run it. So that's it. You have just to run this command, take the URL of GnoWeb, and you can branch your realm here. So we'll take the URL and tada, we have our hello Gno. You can change the name. For example, I want to edit this. I can change it by wake up, and it will automatically re-upload your realm in real time. Now, if we want to interact with the actual realm, we can create a new method. For example, we're gonna create an inc method which increase a counter like this. We can find our method in the help page. Of course, we need to save and it needs to be reloaded. That's it. So it doesn't take any parameter. But you can copy this command, pass it here. So what we need here actually is the address. This is the only thing we need, and it's displayed here, which is actually the default account, which have a lot of Gnode to interact with the realm. I execute the method. I can do it multiple times. And now to visualize our method, we'll need to display it, of course. So let's call strconv with our counter to import the package. Of course. And now if I save, I got my string and my counters that have been increased by 2 because I called the method two times, and it will also reload in real time if you call it again. Actually. You can also reset the state because Gnodev is actually interactive. So if I press H, you can have some command. For now, it's still in the early stage, so you don't have a lot of command, but you have at last a way to reload manually the node by pressing R, and also a way to reset the entire application state. So it erases all the transactions that have been made by pressing Ctrl R. And that's it. So now you know how to build a simple realm using Gnodev. Thanks.